Good morning, Northrop Family Homesteaders. It's Chris and I'm outside in a blizzard. What is this stuff? And no, contrary to belief, we did not bring this back from New York with us. Damn it, we left New York to get away from the snow. I think we've already gotten as much now as they had when we were there. The difference between there and here is it was like 5 degrees up there when we were up there. It was ridiculous. I even had to push off all the snow on top of the chicken coop already, keep it from collapsing. And that was like 2 hours of snow. That's crazy. But everybody's doing good. Covered up, rocking and rolling. We may post an update later. See y'all.